Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this pink and purple glam with the Bright palette by Beauty Bay. This is one of my favorite color combinations, you guys, because I have not done a dramatic look like this in a very long time. Okay, so the first shade we're going to be using is called Drama Queen. And for those of you guys that are new, I did not set my base. I am using the Glam Light base, you guys. I love it so much. I'm never going back. I used to just use concealer, but now I'm sticking to this base. So you guys, we're going to be applying this all over our lid. Do not go too high up on the crease. As you guys can see, we're only leaving it up to this area. And we are patting it down so that the eyeshadow sticks onto the base, you guys. I love it so much because it's so easy to work with. This shade, you guys, it's very dark. But what I like is that this shade isn't that powdery, so it sticks so well. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade Make Them Wink. And this is a pink shade. It's so nice, you guys. I'm going to be blending this out on the crease. Do not go any lower than this though, you guys, and try to keep it in this area. Don't go too high up either. And we're going to be using a small blending brush, and we're just going to be blending in small circular motions, starting off at this outer corner and then working our way towards the inner corner. And you want to grab small amounts of product because if you apply too much, it's just going to make a mess. So start applying a little bit of product at a time, and then we're going to build up the intensity. Meanwhile, this color is blending, you guys. I will say I am in love with the Beauty Bay palettes, you guys. Like, in love. I literally bought all these palettes. Like, they didn't even send these to me. I bought them. It gives me like Morphe vibes back in the day when it was such a big thing. So now, you guys, we're going in with the shade Tutu, and we're going to be applying this at the very top with the blending brush, a fluffy one. And we're going to be going in circular motions and side to side motions just to blend out that pink. And if you lose some of the color, it's okay, because look, right now we're going back in with the shade Make Them Wink, and we're going to rebuild the intensity again. But this is what makes the colors blend well together. So we're just going to keep blending and then going back and adding more product to build that color and that shade that we want to achieve. You guys, if I'm talking fast, I just drank coffee, so I feel like I'm on something right now. If you guys are new, welcome. Remember to subscribe, like this video, comment down below. If you guys have some color suggestions, just comment down below and let me know what shade you guys want me to do, and I'll work on it. Also, you guys, be very patient with blending because I know it can take forever. So just be patient to achieve these looks. I think that's like the #1 rule. You gotta have some patience because you gotta keep blending until it looks good. And now we're gonna be going back in with the shade Tutu, and we're just gonna be blending that pink shade again. You can see I'm getting frustrated. I get tired, you guys. I sit in this chair. Maybe one of these days I'll do like a full body tutorial where I'm like sitting down in front of the camera and talking to you guys. But oh my god, the chair that I have, I get so tired from sitting in the same position and just blending. Okay, so now we're going back in with the shade Drama Queen, and we're going to be applying some more onto this area. And then I'm going back in with Make Them Wink one more time just to blend this out a little bit more. Oh my god, you guys, I have some allergies today. Like, it's so bad. So if you guys hear me sniffing, it's because of that. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my base from Glam Light to cut my crease. You guys, I'm trying this product out right here just to see how it works, because I normally use the Beauty Creations foundation to cut my crease. But I was actually amazed by this base, you guys. I actually genuinely love this product, and I'm never going back. I'm just applying this with the flat brush. It looks really good, you guys. I didn't even have to clean out my eyeshadow, and it's like giving full coverage. So I love it, and I'm never going back. So we're just gonna be cutting this crease carefully. Take your time when you guys are doing this. If you guys want a more in detail tutorial on how to cut your crease, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make a specific video for that. Next, I'm going in with the shade Fairy Tale. You guys, this is such a pretty light purple color. As you guys can see, I am using tapping motions to apply it onto the wet surface. And then after that, then I start dragging my brush a little bit. So that's a technique that I love to use every time when I cut my crease, you guys. I literally just tap the product on there, and then once it sets that wet surface, then you drag your brush, and then it's okay. And now we're going to be going in with the shade Make Them Wink, and we're going to be applying this in the outer corner like so, in little tapping motions so that it starts to blend in the outer area. And after this shade, you guys, we're going in with the shade Drama Queen just to make the look come together. You guys, this is my favorite part of the eyeshadow because it takes forever, and this is like telling me I'm almost done. So after we apply this shade, now we're going in with the shade Drama Queen, and we're going to be blending this into that outer area, and it starts to darken up. You guys, this is my favorite part. It looks so pretty. If you made it this far into the video, please comment the word pink down below so that I know that you're a real one and you're watching this all the way through. Okay, you guys, now that I'm done with this blending, we're going to be removing the little tape. And then look at that sharp eye, you guys. I love it so much. This is my favorite part too. So now we're going to be using a makeup towel remover, and we're going to be wiping off any excess powder that we have on our under eye. This is why, you guys, I always suggest you do your eyeshadow first before you do your foundation. And then now I'm going in with my favorite ColourPop mascara, you guys, Level Up. I love it so much because this makes my eyelashes long, and I have really short eyelashes. So if you guys want a good mascara, I highly recommend this one. And I'm going in with my Violeta lashes, you guys. These are from my website. So if you want to go check out my website, the link is down below in the description. And then this is what it's looking like so far. Now we're going to be going back in with the shade Drama Queen, and we're going to be applying this with a small flat brush very tightly onto our lower lash line, you guys. And we're going to be blending in side to side motions, trying to be careful since we already have our foundation on and we don't want to mess that up. We're just going to be applying this carefully down there. And then after this shade, we're going to be going in with the shade Make Them Wink, just to blend it out with another flat brush, you guys. I love using flat brushes at the bottom because it's so easy to control and blend versus a small blending brush, because sometimes it throws the powder to the sides and you'll get it on your foundation. And trust me, I hate when that happens so much. Okay, and now we're going in with the shade Flower Child by ColourPop. You guys, these shimmery shades are my favorite. I'm going to be applying this in this little inner corner right here. And we're also going to be applying a small amount on our brow bone as well. For these small areas like these, I like to use little fluffy pencil brushes like these ones. They're so easy to use, you guys. And you just tap it on there and it comes on so easily. I love it. You guys, so for my mascara, I'm also going to be doing my lower lashes for you guys right now. I'm telling you guys, I have the smallest, sorry if you guys can hear my dog. I have the smallest lashes, but this mascara, it makes them really long after applying a few coats. So I really like it, and they don't get clumpy at all. So I like it. I recommend it, you guys. It's called Level Up. And this is the finishing look, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Remember to subscribe and like this video. Also, you guys, let me know if you guys have any color suggestions, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.